In this video I've taken a different subject just compared to the landscape ones. Just a little bit of this photo was given by a friend, so that's what I'm going to use, and then we'll get into that. Before that, if you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So as I said, this is a different subject in itself. I've taken a dog in front of a big door, just a simple it's not, I wouldn't call it as a composition, but this is the photo exactly what I got, and I'm using that as a reference, and then I'm trying my best. So as you can see, the reference photo is in the corner, so that's what I'm using. So I'll try to come as close as possible, because it's an A4 size and then the dog size is small, and then I have to use smaller brush or tip of the brush so that I can get the details inside that. But at least I'll try to get the whole picture as is, and then you can comment on it how it has turned out. And if you want to give it a try, you can just give it a try, at least the entire painting or otherwise part of it. So I hope you'll get something out of it in terms of whatever I've painted, the pillar, door, or otherwise the dog or the steps, anything whichever helps you. And then for anyone out there who is actually watching this for the sake of enjoy yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.